Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito na po ang ating second box from Weverse. So I don't think I have a merch here, official membership merch. I don't remember, to be honest. But if you're interested to know what's inside this second Weverse box, and then please keep on watching. Maria, Maria. Yes guys, nakalagay SM Town Store. I don't know kay Shannon kung bakit ito yung box niya, but this came from Weverse. However, dahil isang malaking box yun, kapag pinapadala sa Philippines from Korea, I think she has to put it on a separate boxes. So, nagkataon lang na yung binili ko ay nag-fit na naman sa isang ganito kalaking box. Kaya ito na yung bubuksan natin ngayon. Okay, so nabuksan na siya ni Gwen kasi out of all the items here, meron siyang isang product na pinurchase. So, sa kanya to pinadeliver and then kinuha niya na yung kanya. So, meron din ako mga binili na multiple items or multiple counts of items and yung isa doon para din kay Gwen. So, kinuha na rin niya. But, mga ilang araw ko na rin tinitiis na hindi siya buksan kahit bukas na siya technically. Nandun lang siya sa isang area ng kwarto ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng first impression. So, are you ready guys? Kasi I am very much ready and very much excited. So, buksan na nga natin yan. Medyo may gabok-gabok factor na naman, ano? Ayan. Ay, niniti yung aking permission to dance jacket. And that's the very first thing sa top. Ayan. Charan! We don't need permission to dance. This is the jacket na hoodie. Hoodie siya actually. So, ayan. Yung navy blue. Ayan. Ang laki niya. Or, I don't know if it's too big. But I'll definitely insert a clip. Ito yung, ayan no, ayan. Permission to dance. Ayan. Here. Ayan, ang ating permission to dance hoodie. So, I'll definitely insert a clip na suot-suot ko ito. And then, of course, nakapangalan naman kay Gwen yung ang postcard and photo card. And, of course, ang ating ultimate leader, RM, ang aking nakuha. Ang ang magnet ko kay RM. Baka meant to be talaga kami. Sorry. Ayan. Similar to dun sa nakuha ko from my Daikon? Was it? Yeah, I think so. So, nakalagay na naman siya kay Kumaring Gwen kasi nga kay Gwen ito pinadala. But, first time ko magkaroon ng freebie na si Jimin na unexpected. Lagi na lang si RM at saka si, si J-Hope. But, I so love Jimin. Oh my God! Postcard. Oh! 3! Postcard. Oh my gosh. I'm so loving it. Thank you so much, Kumaring Shannon. So in love with that. Now, I have multiple items. I'm planning to sell, but I'm not decided yet. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. So, I purchased 8 of the, what do you call this? The mini light stick. And then 1, Gwen decided to purchase it. Now, I saw a video that there are 7 light stick keyring that was customized for the 7 members. And I'm planning not to sell this anymore and dress up all these keyrings for 7 members. I'm so sorry to my mga pamangkins that I'm supposed to give them. Malayo pa naman yung Pasko, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Ninang will keep all 7 left. Buti na lang 8 siya at nagkaroon pa si Gwen. Pero kung 7 lang talaga to, I think I'm not gonna sell it anymore. I'm not gonna give it as a gift. So this is how small it is. I have the proper size. This is the Army Bomb size. Yes, gabok to the highest level. So, ayan. Ito yung Army Bomb size. This is the keyring. So this is how the box looks like. It looks exactly the same as the big box for the Army Bomb. Let's see how small it is. cute! Dun, dun, dun. So the actual army bomb size side-by-side comparison. This one I also purchased from Weverse, but during the time I'm not yet a member. So ayan yung size comparison. It looks the same, yeah. Army, BTS logo, front, sorry sa ring light, ayan. And then yung army sa likod. Ayan. So, i-remove mo to para makita mo siya mag-on. So, let's do it. This button does not function actually. Ayan! Ten, ten, ten. Ten. Walang battery ito eh. Hindi ko nilagyan ng battery. Ten, ten, ten. So this is how it looks like. So I think I'm gonna keep all 7. I'll dress it up per member, and so much excited. Ngayon ibabalik ko na to so that it does not consume the battery. Yan, nabalik naman siya. Okay, that's it for the keyring. And then these are the bag of the army bomb. Konti lang naman nito. So ito yung mismo magiging bag ng aking army bomb. Ang ganda niya oh. Buksan natin. Ang ganda ng logo. So when you're traveling, when you're going to attend the concert, you can put your army bomb here. Ayan, it comes with a strap. Makapal siya, hindi siya yung porcho-porcho na bibili natin sa labas, no? And then you can put your army bomb inside. Now, the only thing I would love to suggest, no? Sana nilagyan nila ng small packet. Paano kung meron kang mga, meron akong deco kit na deco kit. Meron akong permission to dance na ring here. Sana meron sila kasi nasayang lang naman to. So sana naglagay sila ng hole para malagay yun. Or ito, pag remove mo to, diba? Wala kang paglalagyan ng accessory. So, this is meant for this, only, ha? This version. Ayan! So, ito, pero pag din siya, sana meron siyang extra dito na pwede mong lagyan ng mga accessories yun, diba? Para isang lagayan na lang. So, parang ang nangyari, travel bag lang talaga siya ng army bomb. Okay? So, pero ang ganda niya, ang sleeve. It's hard, but it's not scratch proof. So, para siyang goma. Ganun. So, ayan. So, basically, yung iba, ganun din. Dalawa lang siya. So, I have 2 extras. So, I will be able to sell this on my Shopee account. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below para sa mga gustong bumili, sa interesadong bumili nitong army bomb case. And of course, ito na yung sinasabi ko na pin. And ito na yung aking permission to dance na memorial keyring. Ang ganda nito, oh. Super ganda. Super. Sana ka talaga yung binili ko eh. Kasi, pang extra, pag pinag-display mo siya, nilagay mo siya sa bag. Pwedeng dalawa. Ayan, ang ganda. Permission to dance. Pwede mo siya lagay dito sa damit mo. Isa-style mo siya. Para ka-stylist ng BTS na. Kung ano-ano yung nilalagay sa mga damit nila. Actually, pwede talaga eh. Pwede ko siyang ilagay dito. Ang cute. Super ganda. So, ayun lang yung mga nabili ko na part ng second box. And one more thing, I will be filming the album kasi dumating na yung album. And I will also share my unboxing with you guys. So, see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!